Do you know the most important items you should demand when getting your roof replaced? Most people don't. After you see what I'm about to show you, you'll know what you want, and I don't think you'll ever get a roof replaced without insisting on these items. I'm Henry Bretz, the CEO and founder of Excel Roofing. I founded Excel Roofing in 1993 to do roofing right.
I'm Henry Bretz. I'm Vice President of Excel Roofing. Our founding principle is that you don't pay a cent until you're content. This makes sure that money stays in your pocket. Never prepay a roofer, and when you have that cash, it gives you leverage.
About 40% of our competition has sold out to private equity. Why is this important to you? When companies sell out to private equity, customer service suffers and profit is the only thing that they care about. We are a family legacy company and we intend on keeping it that way. Here's what really sets us apart. On almost every job site, we put one of these custom trailers, and I want to show you why this is so important to you as the homeowner. We bring extra items to every job site that we commonly run short of. We have underlayment, we've got additional wood in case we find any bad wood up on your house. I'm going to show you something now that you are not expecting. In the front of the trailer, we have custom installed a porta potty in every trailer. This shows a level of respect and dignity that we have for our workers, but even more important, this shows the respect that we have for you as the homeowner. We do not want your guys using the restroom in the bushes or anything like that. This is so important, especially for the women who might be in the area. So the second thing that we do that I don't know of any other residential roofing company that does is this. Henry, will you please show everybody what we do?
This is a carbon monoxide detector. This could save your life. We give every one of our customers one of these. When we're working up on the roof around those furnace and those water heater pipes, we're not sure if they've become disconnected, so we install one of these on every one of our projects to keep you safe.
We're not just replacing your roof, we're protecting you and your family. If you'd ever like to talk to either one of us, give the office a call or send me an email if I'm not available, j@excelroofing.com. That's the letter J at excelroofing.com.
Or Henry at excelroofing.com.
To see more of our services, you should visit our Learning Center. We have lots of videos about everything that we offer, and we very much look forward to working with you on your project. Thanks.